Hey everybody, here we have a Goodman RTU. This is running. There's another one down there. There's a Goodman logo. Data sheets right here. Here's the remains of it. Here you have the same thing. Not running. This one's data is on the other side, so I'm not gonna get it. And then there's a little one right here, a residential unit. The big coils. See the compressor in there? There's a coil compressor. I don't know if I got that or not. The ducts. Back to this one, which is running. Ducts go up there and into the building. And right over here, there's a couple more. These ones are from the 2000s, early 2000s. Four blade. Here's the data. All right, I guess that'll be it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.